Hey Spice Lovers, it's Steve the Lazy Scientist, and one of my friends gave me some homemade barbecue sauce, and I thought, what better way to try it than making a Hunter's chicken. Don't know if you know what Hunter's chicken is, but it's basically chicken, bacon, cheese, barbecue sauce. So, let's do this. Start by getting a roasting dish and seasoning with some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, a sprinkle of salt, and then get your chicken breasts in there and get them nicely covered and coated. Arrange them so you can see them, put some bacon on the top, and then we're going to sprinkle with a little bit of olive oil and get these in the oven at about 200 degrees for 20-25 minutes until they're cooked. Once they're cooked, get them out, pour over your barbecue sauce, and then put lots and lots of cheese on. I've gone with grated cheddar and mozzarella so you get a bit of pull. Season with pepper and get that back into the oven until they're nice and golden. Finish with some onion crack. Absolutely delicious.